Hi everyone, today we have this old Hyundai Accent 97 with spark plugs, spark wires and distributor. As we all know, the system starts from the battery to the coil to the distributor through the wires to the sparks. The problem we had today is very difficult to put your hands on or see it or really diagnose it. Usually the wires are broken, the ignition sparks wires are broken, so it's very easy to see that. What we had today is that the distributor case itself, and this is old cars, it was having a crack. And this crack was leaking the charge. Instead of sending it to the sparks, it was leaking to the motor body, which in other words make the throttle of the whole body lost. So we have the problem of hesitation, loss of power. There's no power in the car at all. Of course, I don't recommend washing the motor at all unless you use the specific liquids, but I had to put some water to enhance the video itself. So I can show you the video itself. You will see at night, here's the distributor, and I'm gonna show you in slow motion how the charge is leaking. This is the charge being leaked out.
You can see the ignition in low speed.
How it goes. This is slow motion. Don't forget that.
Electricity, which means one of the spark plugs was not
losing all the power to the motor. This is the normal speed.
We had to do it at night, of course, because.
So the solution is so easy. Just dry the place of the leak with this crack, and we'll put industrial grease on it and block it until I find the part, because those parts, those old cars are very hard to find the parts for it. I had to wait at least like 1 month to get the new distributor. So this is the industrial grease. Just cover the place after you dry it, or let it dry by the heat of the engine. I put it around the crack itself, and this will really solve the problems. Very cheap and straightforward solution for a very hard to diagnose problem. It was the funny stuff. It's very hard to diagnose, but the treatment is very easy. And actually the friend who had this car had this grease. He didn't buy the new part. He had this grease at least for 1.5 years working good, until I found the part for him, and he didn't have the problem again. And whenever he had the problem, he told me, like, I just put the grease and that's it. Because old cars, you know, the parts is very difficult to find. But anyway, I just wanted to share this info just in case somebody have this problem. I'm gonna show you now another video with the car working. There's no hesitation, which you saw in the beginning, and now at night you will see that there is no leaking charge from the distributor to the engine. We have all the spark plugs in good shape, so this was the eyeball for the problem itself. You see, there's nothing, working good and in harmony. Hope you find it useful. If you like it, please hit like, and don't forget to share and subscribe. And for the meantime, see you in other videos. Bye bye.
So everything now looks fine. Temporary solution.